Alright guys, so I randomly decided that I wanted to make a cake. I was like craving it. I was like, you know what, I might as well just like film it for my channel. So here's that. I'm gonna try to wake Imari and see if he will make this cake with me. If not, we're rolling solo, and hopefully as people get home, as people wake up, they will join the video. But I'm heading to Ralph's and I have to pick up all the things I need. I want to get pans so I don't have to worry about them being different sizes. I just want to get two of the same so that the cakes are both the same size. What I want to do is I want to get a cake and stack both of them on top of each other to make like a grand cake with like a layer in the middle. I hope I have enough frosting for that, but we'll see. Yeah, let's head to Ralph's. Alright guys, I got everything that I needed, and this is what it looks like so far. I got a bowl to mix everything in because I know we do not have a bowl that's big enough for both of the mixes. Yeah, here are the two pans that I got. They're just like square ones. I couldn't find a circle one. I really wanted to do a circle one, but they did not have any left. And then I got the funfetti vanilla, like traditional frosting. I know everyone in my house loves this kind of cake, so hopefully they will eat it. I'm also in Amari's car. He's been letting me like borrow his car because my car got totaled, and it's been a whole thing, so he let me borrow his car. So I'm like whipping his foreign. That's been really fun. His car is like so loud, like so loud. Let's leave Ralph's and head home to start baking this. Okay guys, we switched to Amari's camera because I do not want to do this on my phone. I also woke him from a nap, and he was not having it, so that's good. Honestly, I'm gonna wake him again for the vlog. 1 second. Ah! Wake up. Wake up. A large? For large?
And a large popcorn.
A large? You got the money.
So I'm gonna take this bag. I love how I'm treating this like a tutorial, like you guys don't already know how to do this.
I don't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep
Here?
because of me.
Woo!
Making
I
our
need to
cake.
post something tomorrow. Woo! I'm making a cake for all my friends, and they're all gonna eat it.
We are.
Yeah. Now I need eggs and oil. Set oven to 350.
Hi everyone. Is the cake for anything like in particular?
No.
Just for fun? So we get to eat like cake later?
Yeah. On camera. Water, oil, and eggs. So I'm gonna add the water
You're
first.
still on step one.
I had to get my ingredients, Natalie. 3 whole eggs. I'm not very good at this. Oh, that was beautiful. Do we have a mixer?
No.
Oh, so I'm gonna be doing this by hand. Oh, not good. Not good. Okay. It's going kind of well, I think. Okay. 2 shots of vodka.
2 shots of vodka.
I need Imari, and he left me. She's from Euphoria, everyone. I just got like a PR package, and like she goes, ooh,
How
to, like
fun.
everything.
How fun would it be if Isabella and I did a series called Baking in Bikinis? Baking in Bikinis, let's make it happen. And then we have special guests. We do cooking in bikinis, baking in bikinis,
Wow, let's do it.
sauteing in bikinis, chopping in bikinis.
Guys, sound off in the comments below if you want us to do that. Okay, I've mixed it. I think it's pretty mixed. Now I need to grease this pan. Okay, so I have some Pam. I have some Pam here.
Bam!
This doesn't smell good. Is this too much? Now we pour. I've poured in the cake.
Are you for real? No! No, you're for fake!
Okay, so these are both greased, ready to go, and I'm gonna pop them both in on the same middle rack. Okay, so I just put the cakes in the oven. I literally had to like readjust one of the racks while it was like 350 degrees, and I was really struggling there, and I'm like sweating now. But yeah, they're in there. Guys, I think I burnt the cakes, and I'm really sad about it. But I'm gonna coat them in frosting, and I'm going to hope for the best, and I'm not gonna tell them that I burnt them. Guys, they're like burnt, and I'm really sad about it. They literally started coming off the corners, like shriveling. Do you think I like put too much Pam? They don't look that bad. They're like still spongy. Unfortunately, they're probably gonna taste like shit. Not only did I make 1, but I made 2. I'm just gonna make it look really pretty, so that makes up for the fact that it's literally burnt. But like when my friends are drunk, they won't care what it tastes like. I'm trying to frost these before people get home so they don't know that it's burnt. It like shriveled up around the corners. Do I need to chop off the top layer? That's gonna be so much work. Or should I flip it upside down? That's what the cake boss would do. I'm gonna try. Wow.
Shut the fuck up. I can't believe that just worked like that.
Yeah! All those years of watching Cake Boss? Yeah! I think it's still good though, because it's like not burnt on the inside.
Damn, she thick and she bald. You know what's funny is like you are Cake Boss. I would not know to do that.
Have you ever watched Cake Boss?
No, but I think you just need to. I think you need to clean it up with like a spatula. Spunky, we love to take your fucking dick and fucking de-spunk them. Hi guys.
Do you know what we are?
We're cake destroyer.
Cake
We just love to take the frosting, de-spunk the cake.
And Imari has this jewel that he calls Mrs. Puff.
It's a puff. It's a puff. I'm like, don't put her in a box. And I call her Mrs. Puff. I have my jewel as well. Her name is Joella DeVille. But I was feeling puffy today. So we went with Mrs. Puff. And Natalie showed her ID for it because I'm not 21. But you know what? That never stopped me.
Ooh, fooled you, Postmates.
Yeah. You.
Postmates, I have nothing to do with this. Please work with me.
Swipe a 30-inch Weave on a sugar daddy card. Oh, I can't come in and get the Mrs. Puff? That's okay. Someone will deliver it to me.
This is the first layer. Now, I need to put this one on top of this one. Oh, wow.
This is Budge if I ever saw it. Betty Crocker Budge. Betty Brocker Budge. If you don't title this video Betty Crocker Tings, I swear to God.
If this spatula is broken!
It's broken?
Natalie, why is your spatula broken?
What's wrong with it?
It's the Chrissy Teigen collection.
It could be better.
Definitely.
This is spraying in the direction of the cake.
It doesn't get that far.
No, that's just how far you can see
Zoom
it.
through
That
this.
doesn't mean it doesn't go. If it makes it this far and you can see it, it's making it all the way over here. Like when you sneeze, like you can only see a sneeze so far, but like it goes around the whole room. If you guys haven't seen my most recent video, you should go watch it. It's a VidCon vlog and it has 131,000 views right now, and I would much rather it have like 200,000. Watch all the ads. There's like 4 of them in there. That way we can maximize AdSense on the video, and then I could like, I don't know, like maybe buy something expensive for a video, like with like an expensive video title. Like that sounds kind of fun.
He's gonna buy me a new car.
Richard Millie costs a Lambo.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna put sprinkles on this.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles! Whoa! Kill
So
him.
pretty.
Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill
Why
him.
does it look like a Pop-Tart? Oh my god.
Uh-oh, we've got some angle.
It does look like a Pop-Tart.
But the side needs some.
I don't think it needs anything on the side. Unless you can like successfully get it on the side. You idiot! It's not on the side.
Do we hold it upside? Do you hold it upside? No.
Budge. No budge.
None of them stuck! It's okay. It's okay.
She cute?
It's actually cute, yeah.
Look at this. This is the final product. I would say, for me burning it, it looks great.
Raindrop. Drop top. I'm so excited.
Oh my
Because-
god, this just fell apart. This is just...
You get that juicy.
That's fine. That's good.
Eat the middle. Why would you eat the
What
end?
do you mean?
Yeah, the edge is not good. Actually, I think you're like punched a little because of the...
Sprinkle.
Uh-huh.
No, the sprinkles were my...
Oh, mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get that
We know.
juicy. If you can see it from the front, what do you see it from the back?
This angle. I understand this angle is bad.
This ankle or English? What motherfucker I need?
So this is the funfetti.
How big of a piece you want?
A little
So
bit
big.
of-
I'm so hungry. I'm literally eating other food.
Oh yeah, I'm pink again.
I'm slim fit again.
I'm
Wow.
Kylie Jenner.
That is.
This is my appetizer for her cake.
Okay.
Okay, if you're gonna serve me, serve me
eat
right.
like that.
What?
Eat like that.
No, I'm not her.
It's amazing.
If you're gonna serve me, you're gonna serve me. A knife?
The serve he deserves. So good.
Good.
What?
Why are you wifey ass bitch?
I actually burnt it.
Really?
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah,
This isn't Subway.
I don't get it.
You're eating like a Subway sandwich.
Oh yeah, $5 foot long bitch.
Oh my god.
Demonetized.
That is so good. Bomb. I love funfetti, but you made it your very own way.
Fusco Fetty. I'll go.
Who's fatty?
Fun
Thanks for having me.
Fun Fusco.
Fun Fusco is so much better than Star bitch. Wait, it's actually so
Thank
good.
you for the cake.
It's so good. I'm gonna eat it like it's like pizza.
How many out of 10?
11.
Wow. How many out of 10?
Should I be honest?
Be honest.
Like a 9. You can probably that.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. I know it's different than my normal kind of videos, like my normal vlogs, but those videos are still coming, don't worry. I post every week, kind of around there, so make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you get notified every time that I post, and let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see from me next. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!